back with me, Aida, and this is my YouTube channel here. I just finished for tech and prayer zuhur, uh, at this um, village. This is Sakra village. This is the mosque. I found favorite mosque with my friend here. So many friends here with me for making a vlog. Look at this. I wanna spill for you guys. I wanna wearing sunscreen first.
I bought my new mirror not till 24 hours and it's already broken.
First one is
Yeah, I'm glad because it's time to fix. So
wait, where is my
I
sunscreen? Okay,
always
this is my
cancel to
sunscreen.
fix
I don't
my
wanna spill.
broken mirror. So that's why until now I didn't fix my new mirror. I will fix it later. Okay, uh, time to reapply my sunscreen.
Okay, let's start first from sunscreen.
This is my favorite
It's
sunscreen.
very
Like I said before,
important
I
to
often
touch up with
change
sunscreen.
my sunscreen,
Look at this.
and this is my last. I think
Wow.
because it's making because the sunscreen contains salicylic acid, and I will change my facial wash and salicylic acid.
I just before
So maybe
touch up sunscreen here.
I
I
will
just finished for use
I will
face
change
wash
my
from my friend.
sunscreen
Yeah, when I take a wudu for prayer.
later because
Yes, I just
can't
for washing my
use
face
this
before
sunscreen again if I change
use
my face wash
sunscreen,
with
guys.
salicylic acid in salicylic acid and salicylic
Okay, let's
acid.
touch up
No,
all.
that's too much salicylic acid. And my next
Look at this. After I'm wearing sunscreen, it's like
there is
different.
salicylic acid also. So that's why I will change my sunscreen later.
Oh my gosh, I'm so enough for see about the finish to relax the sunscreens. It's look like
There are friends. We are five here, and there is my
and
friend
I have
near
a
me,
cushion
and
here,
she is
but
weak.
maybe I
Her
want to touch up
afternoon
first
walk
and then I'm
also.
continue about this oh, about this block. Wait. Okay, guys, this is after this we use cushion it's different for right um yeah cushion make look harder this can perfect leather. That's why I just use this. Okay, I'm so enough for this skin. My skin is maybe white skin. I don't know the type. Wait, I want use my guys, come back with me. Aduh. Oh, sorry. Okay, this is me. I just finished for touch up. Wait. You wanna? Okay, look at this after I makeup. Just not bulk makeup. This is just little bit for doing makeup, guys, because I'm not really
You
need
know,
to
guys,
hold makeup.
Manila, influencers. No. Oh, this little. This little. Because she make funny action. I never. You recording for me. Recording can check my phone. You already delete.
Okay, maybe later I wanna making a vlog again. Just waiting me. I just got home. Look at this. I just find my book, my dream wish list. This is Brandal bundle from my friend, from my virtual friend. Yeah, she's give me. This is, oh my god, I feel like so excited to unbox it. I don't know how to say again for her, for say thank you so much for her. Oh my gosh, now I feel like so happy because this is my wish list. Look at this, the photo book about the Brandal. I feel like so really excited, guys, and yeah, I'm so happy for this book. And this is, oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Oh my god, I don't know, guys, but I feel like so happy now, and my mood so going high, guys. I don't know, but yeah. Oh my gosh, thank you for my friend. For my friend to give me this one. I don't know how to say thank you because look at this, my helmet. Oh my god! This is my wish list novel that Indonesian language is not English, guys, but this is my dream to one about, so really want it. And this is me. Yeah, I'm so excited to unboxing the brush. I just really dream about this book, and now finally I got it. Finally I find this book. It's make me feel like so really happy. She's make me feel like, how can I keep her about this? My gosh, look at this. I just want to accompany my mom, maybe. After this, after that.
Scroll ke atas. Scroll ke atas. Nino.
I don't know, guys, but this is about character is so many knowledge we can find here about this story because it's so many effort from his stories. So I just say thank you for this character to make this story. I just feel like so really
Silang. X.
have so many motivation when I read this book. Oh my god, I don't know how to say again, but it's so many creative.
Si kotak negatif itu lu. kota dekat itu. Nah ini ada sade sedong sedong sedong. Lewat apa ini? Ya, coba pencet si lewat anawan.
Hello guys,
Lewat anawan.
wow,
Wajah tuh udah belakang.
amazing this book.
Ini. Wajah tangan udah belakang.
Okay, later again. This is Aida again. It's only 5 minutes and make a vlog, guys. I just finished for helping my mom. That's why I'm so late to making a video for afternoon. Yeah, I just finished now. Yeah, my mom need me first. That's why I'm not making a vlog first. I'm so sorry. And let's continue about the topic. Yeah, I'm so excited to read my novel now. I really wanted to read my book, guys. I don't know, but it's very excited when I find this book. It's, oh my god, look at this. Oh, like, oh, I just want. Oh my god, I don't know. I just feel like so excited to read this book. Oh my god, maybe now I wanna see this book. Really want it. This is about like cancer, guys. The tagline is remember the words loyal person, take care, babe. This is the tagline of this book, guys. I just remember. That's why I like to really need. Maybe one day I feel like I really need uh find someone like this. It's so very grand flag. Yeah, in my life I really need it. Please. I just want to unboxing later. Oh my gosh, he's really effort to give me this. I just say thank you so much for my friend. Maybe she's really need me to be happy in my life. That's why she's just give me this is this just give me for my uh small gift at my birthday, guys. 27 on December. Yeah, that's why she's just give me this, but it's so very special. I just want to say for her, wish for her, and pray for her. She's deserve to happy like me now. Yeah, I hope she's find someone green flag in her life. I mean, and yeah, her is very best person, like very best my friend of my life now. Oh my gosh, I feel like really like her in my life, guys. Like I'm really lucky to know her in my life. Okay, this is for her, and so many again prayer, and I'm not wanna spill my prayer for her, guys. Just God not know this. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And you guys, thank you for you to see my video now, and see you later at night again. I'll make a vlog next. Bye bye.